Good afternoon to all of you. स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड कै एप्लिटेड टू कै रसिका महाविद्यालय देवनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लातूर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी myself Dr. B.S. Chetge. Now yesterday to discuss the pure culture of isolation, original pure culture of isolation. The now discussion to the yesterday. Today discuss to the Koch postulate of pathogenicity. What is Koch postulate and what is the pathogenicity? One by one to discuss to the discussion to the lectures. During in the late 19th century, a bacteriologist called as Robert Koch laid down a set of rules for the confirm that is the organism is the causes of the diseases. These are the known Koch postulate. When plant become infected with the fungus, it is likely become the weakened, therefore the more susceptible for the infection by other microorganisms and microbes. So, how do you plant pathologist? They work what is the pathogen has caused by the particular diseases. We have applied Koch postulate of the diseases. The Koch postulate name have the one of scientist Robert Koch. They pathogenicity name has the Koch postulate. The very important to the plant pathology is a study by the Koch postulate. The Koch postulate, the fourth step, the very importance. The first association, second isolation, and third inocclusions, and fourth re-isolations. What is meant by association? That is the form of diseases pre and post harvest diseases. The pre means the field infection of the fungus. Post means storage of the food. It is storage of the food material as storage of the fruit. The spread by the fungus. It is called as a post harvest. They form to the cause of the fungus. It is the association. Second one, isolations. Isolations means the culture, the isolate of the media. It is called as a isolations. The inocclusions means the media is the poor of the media, PDA media. The PDA means PDA dextrose agar media. For example, the PDA media inocclusions and isolation to the fungus. They inocclusions they inoculate to the petri plates, the media, basic media. They form to the disease. They 1 to 4 days. That is the inocclusions. The re-isolations. They one of inocclusions. They form to the fungus. The number of fungus is attacked by the plate. That is the pure colony is a re-isolation. Replate. The process is the repeat and culture is the pure. It is called as a re-isolation. The fourth step very important. Then so now Koch postulate process, the one of diagram, the one by one is formed to the diagram. The first for example wheat plant, the sampling to the wheat, they attack by the one of fungus. That is the second step, the isolation, and third one identification. The must be the fungus is a microscopically identification, the very most importance. Then the second is isolation. The culture plate, the growing in a fungus, there will be the identification to the easily. Third step. Fourth, colonization efficiency and mass of inoculum, the productions. They form to the colonization the fungus, the inoculum to the microscopy identify to the fungus. And for 15 plant screen the under control by conditions. The plant they 5 स्टेपमध्ये काय होतं ते कंट्रोल करण्यासाठी त्या प्लांटला आपण आता हे जे प्लेटमध्ये बघितलं आयडेंटिफिकेशन जे केलं ते काय आहे लॅबोरेटरिकल स्टडी आणि जे प्लांट स्क्रीनिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ कंडिशन अंडर कंडिशन हे काय आहे फील्डमध्ये. तर फील्डमध्ये याला कसं कंट्रोल करायचं हे आपण याच्यामध्ये या स्टेपमध्ये करत असतो. अँड फील्ड अँड ट्रायल्स म्हणजे फील्डमध्ये परत त्याला काय करायचं हेल्दी प्लांटला हे फंगस काय करायचं इन्फेक्शन करायचं म्हणजेच आपल्याला कळलं जाईल की याच्यामध्ये कुठलं एखादं फंगस इन्फेक्शन होतो का याची टेस्ट करणं म्हणजे काय आहे कोषपॉस्युलेट. नेक्स्ट वन दिस वन पॅथोजेनिसिटी अँड कोषपॉस्युलेट द गुड एक्झाम्पल टू द फोटोग्राफ्स. द फर्स्ट इज हॅव इन्फेक्टेड they will be the control means infected plant part. They isolated by the culture media in a PDA and CJD media. The number of media is isolated of the fungi and re-isolations. Then pure culture formed to the last one plate, the second row, that is the healthy plant infection to the fungus. It is a koषपॉस्युलेट. The germ mycologist Robert Koch identified the set 4 conditions which had certified established the particular organism is a causative against the particular disease. These conditions are known as a koषpostulates. They isolate the association microorganism infected tissue using the standard isolations method. Then second step is a koषpostulate and pathogenicity. They purify the culture in a contaminated the following purification. The technique like the Haepel tips method in cases of the fungi. Third one, wash of healthy leaf is a fruit, a twig. Then fourth step, the pathogenicity and koषpostulate the condition. The surface sterilize, it is the ethyl alcohol or other the defect the rise to 3 changes the sterile waters. Then 5, transfer these sterilized part into the petri plate or tray lined with the mustard the sterilized filter paper. Thank you. I have stopped the lecture. Tomorrow will be the second unit will start. Any problem in a bit, any problem to the point, the discuss to chat box and as well as the contact to my contact to the WhatsApp as well as the directly contact to me and solve to the problem. To very important to the plant pathology is a koषpostulate. Koষpostulate is a C1. Koষpostulate is a very importance to the plant pathology. The identify ideal to the fungus in the scientist. It is a need to the koषpostulate as well as the pathogenicity. Thank you very much.